Every year, millions of Americans panic over one thing: taxes. Not because they owe money, but because they don't understand what they're doing. So they delay it, guess numbers, or pay someone hundreds of dollars to type information they already have. But filing taxes is not complicated. It only feels complicated because you don't know the order. Once you understand the sequence, taxes become a checklist, not a mystery. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners file taxes step by step. No jargon, no accounting degree needed. Step 1. Gather documents. Before touching any tax website, stop. Most mistakes happen because people start too early. Taxes are just reporting income and confirming what you already paid. So first, collect these: your W-2 from your job, any 1099 forms, freelance, gig work, bank interest, stock apps, student loan interest form, 1098E, tuition form if you're a student, 1098T. That's it. If you miss a form, the IRS computer notices later and sends a letter. So filing fast matters less than filing complete. Step 2. Choose where to file. You don't send taxes directly to the government manually anymore. You use software that translates everything. For beginners, the goal isn't optimization, it's accuracy. Free filing software is enough if you have normal income, no business, no complicated investments. You're not calculating taxes, you're answering questions. The software calculates for you. Step 3. Enter personal information. This part feels trivial, but causes many rejections. Enter exactly: name spelled like Social Security card, correct SSN, correct birth date, correct filing status. The most important choice here is filing status: single, married filing jointly, head of household. This alone changes your tax result dramatically. You're not choosing preference, you're choosing legal category. Step 4. Report income. Now you enter your forms exactly as shown. Do not round numbers. Do not estimate. Just copy. The government already received the same documents. You're confirming, not informing. This step answers one question: how much did you earn total? Step 5. Credits and deductions. This is where refunds appear. Most beginners think refunds come from overpaying taxes, but often they come from credits. Common beginner credits, education credits, earned income credit, child tax credit. You don't search for them manually. The software asks questions. Answer honestly, not strategically. Guessing here causes audits later. Step 6. Refund or owe. Now, the software compares taxes you already paid during the year versus taxes you actually owed. If you paid too much, refund. If you paid too little, balance due. This is not a penalty. It's simply settling the difference. A refund doesn't mean you won. It means you gave the government an interest-free loan. Step 7. Review carefully. Before submitting, slow down. Check bank account numbers, mailing address, SSN digits, income totals. One typo delays refunds for months. Taxes are math. Errors don't fix themselves. Step 8. Submit and save. Once submitted, save the PDF copy. Forever. You'll need it for rent applications, loans, financial aid, and future corrections. Taxes are financial proof of your life. Keep them organized. Last, what taxes actually are. Here's the truth beginners miss. Taxes are not a calculation problem. They are a documentation problem. The government already knows most of your numbers. You're just agreeing with them. So, taxes stop being scary once you realize you're not solving anything. You're confirming information in the correct order. If this made taxes finally make sense, subscribe. Because understanding money isn't about being a math genius. It's about knowing the system's steps. And once you know the steps, confidence replaces stress.